Well, hello everybody. My name is Wyatt Shields. I'm the city manager for the City of Falls Church, and I'm joined by Cindy Mester, our deputy city manager. And we're real excited to give you another tour. This is our second tour of to show the progress here at City Hall.
We have currently walked up to the second floor of the east wing of City Hall, and we are standing in the lobby area for the administrative arm of City Hall. We have the finance department up here, as well as our city manager, city clerk, city attorney, and communications. And behind me is one of the nice new things that we're excited about, is a very accessible meeting room off of the main hallway. And we'll have much more meeting room space for our public. What I love in this space is the open light. That'll really make for a better workspace for all our employees.
We have just come down the stairs from the central lobby, and now welcome to Community Planning and Economic Development and the Department of Public Works. What we're intended with this space, this will be the counter, which would be a one-stop shop for where you can get building permits, you can find out about economic development opportunities, ask questions of the zoning administrator, take care of all of any questions a home builder, or if you're coming in for a deck permit, or if you're planning a major project in the city, this is where you would get this done in this large space on the first floor.
This will be systems furniture that allow the two departments to work together as they work on all those zoning, building permits, and implementation of the projects, as well as good staff space to meet with the public on specific grading plans.
Now we find ourselves in the main lobby for the new police departments. It's actually in the same location it was before. And if you look here to the right, this is where our dispatch will take place. That also is in the same location, but it'll be a modern facility. And then this will be a public counter for people who are getting police records or transacting other business with the police department. And then the police department will stretch down this way and down in this direction. Here we're on the G corridor, and there are a couple of things we'd like to point out. First, this will be where public bathrooms are for people who are coming to meetings at City Hall. We also have here, with all of our projects that we're approving in the city, we're really trying to encourage commuting by bicycle or walking to work. And one of the things we're asking the private sector to do is have showers for their employees to help facilitate that. With the new City Hall, we'll also have shower facilities to encourage employees to bike to work. Also as part of our overall wellness, to get exercise during the workday.
We're really excited to have a wellness room for employees, and it'll also be a nice quiet time for meditation, making doctor's appointments, talking to their kids' schools, and for mothers post birth of their child for pumping. So we're really excited about the overall wellness between the shower and this quiet room for wellness of our employees.
Okay, so now we're on the first floor of the West Wing, and this is where we'll have our clerk of court, and this will be very conveniently located for the public who's transacting business in court. They can come straight down this stair and pay tickets or take care of any other court-related businesses. This is a court services office right here. And then behind us, right in this direction, will be Housing and Human Services.
Moved up to the second floor of the West Wing, and this will be another key area for public service. As you come up the main lobby behind me, I'm currently standing in the lobby for the Commissioner of Revenue and Treasurer. Commissioner of Revenue on the right for taking care of registering your vehicles, business taxes, and on the left for the treasurers for paying for those important taxes. And right around the corner, we also have the Human Resources Department, which will be very conveniently located for applicants who want to apply to work for the City of Falls Church and also our current employees.
So we're very excited about this space. This is the new courtroom and the new council chambers. And so this really is the civic heart of the city. So this space will have the pews that were in the council chambers historically. They'll be moved into this space. And this will be our new council chambers. The dais will be right up here at the front. This will also be where we'll meet for court days. Behind that dais is where the sheriff's office will be. This wall over here will be glass and open. And you'll be able to look out onto the rooftop here, which we'll show the next time we have a tour. but that would be a nice feature for our new council chambers and courtroom. Okay, so here we are again, just finishing up our tour, but we're ending up at the central lobby of City Hall. And this will be the spot where you can come walk in straight for court or for City Council. This is our main council work session room here, where all of our boards and commissions will also have their regular meetings. And then of course this nice lobby that will be welcoming for the public. So again, what we're trying to accomplish here is to make the building more accessible for everybody, be fully compliant with the Americans with Disabilities Act, to be able to serve the public with good open spaces that are welcoming and easy places to do business, and of course make it a safe experience for everybody as well. With the new windows that are coming in and other environmental benefits for the project, we hope to achieve LEED Silver certification for this project and possibly higher, but certainly LEED certification is what we're shooting for. So again, we want to thank the HIT team who's been working very hard to advance this project, our project manager, James Mack, and all of those who have been working so hard to bring this project up to this point. And of course, most of all, we want to thank the taxpayers who are funding this project, and hopefully we'll deliver a product at the end that you'll be very proud of and like to do business in. So thank you for joining us on this tour.